as you can see, I'm on the side of the highway, not even like 20 minutes out. It just shot a whole bunch of oil. So what we're thinking, I got it back on the trailer. I just seen that the breather box actually popped out. I don't see a hole or anything, so hopefully that's the actual problem. I'm hoping that we didn't blow this motor already. So, day after the dyno, starting off the video with some crazy news. So, I'm pretty sure this is not supposed to be in the oil pan. No, it's not rocks. It's a part of something that I have yet to uncover. But, we blew it. 20 minutes after the dyno. Bro, you know what 20 minutes after the dyno is? Like, I barely got to enjoy it at all. I did like 3 pulls max, and it wasn't even like full throttle. There was one that was full throttle. Oh, 20 minutes? At least give me like a week. So, this is the oil pan. As you can see, there's already some like silver slush there. I don't want to touch it because my hands are pretty clean. Silver slush there. And then inside the oil pan, you see all that? Look, pieces, more chunks. And it's just like straight glitter. So, I'm actually gonna see now what is actually going on. So, taking off the head real quick. Can't believe I'm doing this all over again, man. This was such a hassle the first time. So right now we are under the car. This is the bottom. This is where the oil pan is at. I was looking at all the pistons and rods, see if I could see the piston like cracked from here or anything. But everything looks literally perfectly fine. I had my dad turn over the motor through the little AC pulley thingy, and they all had compression. Well, it sounded like they all had compression, but I don't know what's going on. Did I break my Amazon special valves? Maybe it's a simple fix. I don't know. But everything's perfect down here from what I could see. So it has to be a top problem. So let's get to the headache of taking apart the head and let's see what we got. Alright, so I just made a new discovery. You see these 2 cylinders right here? They are dry, and then if you look more to the right, they are completely drenched in oil. So maybe piston rings, and then I smacked my wall or something and it cracked. I don't know. Dry, wet. All right, so the actual damage is not as crazy as I thought. I mean, as you can see,
it is still big.
That is not supposed to be like that.
Can't even like hold it there.
Bro,
Yo,
stop it.
I'm trying.
As you can see, it is literally like melted the piston inwards. Like it melted it inwards.
You know what it looks like? The piston rings popped out from worn.
So I really don't know if that cylinder wall is okay. I don't think it is because there was chunks that came out, so I don't know. But
I mean, the rest would feel good.
Everything else is good.
This was.
I think it was just that first cylinder that messed everything up. I'm pretty sure that's 4, right? Mm-hmm. 1.
I don't. No. I think that's 1.
1, 2, 3, 4. I don't freaking know. Whatever. That cylinder, left to right, number 4, is the one that's messed up. Well, I see some shavings in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but barely.
Where?
Right in there. But like barely. The head looks perfectly fine. I don't want to lift it up right now, but
I can.
All right, Calvin's gonna lift it up. It looks perfectly fine underneath. See, no valves protruding, nothing. There was a little bit of shavings. Sorry, it's a little dark on the actual valve. See, like a little bit. But everything looks to be in order.
So smooth.
So hopefully I can just get a new block, swap it, call it a day, and then.
Hell no. Crazy.
Oh nah, yeah, that's true. I'm gonna have to build the block now, bro. I was trying to enjoy it a little bit stock, trying to cook some people's stock.
Hey, 20 minutes.
It did last only 20 minutes though. But those were old pistons and crap. What if I just get new ones? Nah, it's still gonna be old.
You can definitely get stock piston. And I mean, it was still. Hey, remember, this is how many miles an hour?
Almost 200K. Exactly. So if I could just get new stock pistons for the meantime, maybe. But I don't want it to blow and then this time be like catastrophic. All right, so I decided not to go with stock pistons again. So if you made it to the end of the video, you are gonna know what I'm gonna do next before I even put the video out. But boys and girls, if any girls are watching, we're going fully built. Yeah, so I got a new block and I got some other parts. You'll see it later. I'm not gonna go into detail now because I'm gonna make a whole separate video on it. But the motor blew 20 minutes after the dyno. I don't know what happened still. I still haven't disassembled the block and it's been like a couple months. Still haven't done it. I've been lazy, I know, I'm sorry. And plus my car is an hour away from me, so it makes everything much harder. All my tools are up there, and like I said, I live an hour away from where my car is at in my parents' house. So, you know, traveling back and forth to get work done on my car is a little bit of a hassle. But as you could see, the piston was melted inwards, and I posted it on a forum and they said maybe like an injector stuck open or something, and something about Honda's not liking fifth gear, that they get too hot in fifth gear under boost. So I don't know if that's true or not, but I don't know. Obviously this is my first time boosting anything, so I'm taking any advice or any information that I could get from anybody, see if I could like diagnose it myself beforehand, before it doesn't happen in the future. Right now I'm actually currently editing this. As you could see, that's the end of the video there. This is where this clip is gonna be inserted there. Watching my boy Zosh, you already know. But I was wondering if you guys would like me to do like some sort of giveaway, since we're super close to 300. Right now we're at like 262 from the time I recorded this outro section. And I want to get to 500 as quick as I can, for I could secure my name, you know, for you when you type in youtube.com/Michael Ortiz, you know, my name pops up. So if I could do a giveaway to get you guys to subscribe and share my videos and have your friends, family, daughters, sons, dogs, cats, chickens subscribe to me, then I'm doing the giveaway. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, and peace out. See you guys in the next one.